it's time for me to film my kit lineup for June. This is, if you don't know, a print pression B6 planner. These are print pression sleeves, and I have 2 spreads for each week, and that is because I have a off-camera planner and a planner that I film Plan With Me's from. I stole the idea from Hannah, and I just like using extra stickers and playing around off camera to, you know, kind of hang and do the do. So I'm going to go ahead and go through these. I want to first mention that I am not 100% sure that all these are complete. I'm pretty sure I placed an order with Planet Hannah, but I couldn't tell you what I ordered, but I think I ordered some like custom multis and maybe some like solid underlays. So those will be surprises for you in the spread, but I do have general ideas of what my plans are for June. I didn't do anything, I think, too wild and crazy, so let's go ahead and get right on into it. So these are also from my shop, the little like labels down here. They're in marble. I have like the newer format are in like a black, which I really like. So, and they also are in marble in case you want to get marble still. Some, you know, I've filmed like 6,000 videos today. First things first is we're going to, you know, kick off with Pride here, which I do have the Pride Ultimate Kit. This is from my shop. This is called Shine Bright. I also grabbed some extras. Well, I needed all these, probably not. So we have Doodle 2, Doodle, and then we have all of the add-on label samplers because I want to make it very rainbowy, a patterned boxes, which again, I don't even know if I'm going to use those because there's so many good boxes. There's the Scribblers. I just grabbed Fam 2 version 2, and then I grabbed Fam 6 version 1 because I wanted like a little bit of a variety. And we have some variety in here as well. So just grabbed, you know, random one, and then Fam 6 for the blondie one, especially the hair with the barrettes is like where I'm like living and breathing for this gal here. So that is the kit that I'm going to use. And then I'm obviously going to be using, rainbow foil. So I do have the Groovy in the rainbow, which I love. This is from my shop. It has like, I just flip it over and we'll just show you what's in it. It's just very fun, groovy pattern. And then this one is in, I believe it is like a shattered rainbow, which is really pretty as well. And I just thought this would be perfect for this week. Of course, I love rainbow. I think anytime you can use rainbow, you should use rainbow. That is my motto. I also do have the Groovy overlays, which are in the matching foil quotes. And then I also have this is in a sparkly rainbow, but like the hues match. So I don't really think it matters that it's sparkle versus the shattered. And this is the Pride add-on. And I think that adding all of this stuff to the kit will be really, really cute. And then I also do have the rainbow glitter doodles because might as well have more rainbow. As much rainbow as possible is the most ideal situation to have. And I thought, well, I don't remember how, I think I was talking to Hannah and I was like, rainbow something blah blah blah, or maybe it was Kit Jess. I think it might be Kit Jess, and I was like, I want to do like the whole, I have so many rainbow spreads going on in my main planner. Like this one has like a pastel rainbow, so I was like, all right, let's just do all rainbows. This is very rainbowy. And then this one gives me very much so rainbow vibes as well. So I wanted to have a whole theme for the month of June. My off-camera planner is a lot of like kits that I just wanted to use that I haven't used yet, and they kind of just gave me June-ish energy. For the most part, I don't really think there's not a ton that's like assigned for a specific reason. So also things very easily could be bumped. So this one here is called Thanks a Brunch. I do have the Doodle sampler, just Doodle 1. This one didn't have Doodle 2 or like the patterns. It's a little bit older, but not really that old. As far as foil goes for this one, I do have this sparkly like tangerine color from my shop, and it's in confetti version 2. And then I am going to be pulling in the Groovy bundle from Planet Hannah. I don't know. I'm probably mostly going to be using the underlays, and I might layer the like orange underneath or on top of it. I also have the Groovy overlays from my shop, and then this one also has overlays, and then the bottom washi. I'm just going to do my normal mix and match type situation and see what I like. I think I ordered a silver custom multi and the current font of the month from Planet Hannah, which is a Groovy for this. For custom multis, I only order them for my filming planner. As far as like, it's just like a very generalized sheet. I'll show you what it looks like. in whatever foil font color combination. And then for my filming planner, instead of just ordering one and then having Hannah make me weekly ones with like what I actually did, I just go ahead and do a custom multi for the week so that it is exactly what I need. So I don't have those, and I like don't normally. So the next week is June 10th through the 16th. I'm using the Pastel Mario set for no other reason besides like I wanted to use a rainbowy set. And also this is the week of Father's Day, and Nick is like a gamer, so that is where my brain went. I don't really know. And then I thought this would look cute with Sparkly Hollow and Lavender Hollow. We do have a Sparkly Hollow, Lavender Hollow in Sparkle in my shop. And then I just had these, and we also do have Lavender Hollow, Sparkly Hollow in Stars as well, mixed metal. So I had these left over, and I thought the stars would be really cute with like Mario theme. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix and match this and these just because I had them as leftovers. And then I also do have the Pride overlays because I thought that the rainbows would be really cute with this as well. And I could also just put other things in here. But mostly the rainbows, I'm going to go ahead and overlay them and make a mixed metal moment and have rainbows all over the place this month because I think it's cute. But I think that's going to be gorgeous. Pastel rainbow. Then for Father's Day in my off-camera planner, I do have this here, which is the Force. I was going to use this last year for Father's Day, but I don't remember what I used instead. Something different. I don't think I used anything Father's Day related last year. But Nick really is very much so into Star Wars, so I figured I could use this kit here, and I am using it with this color. I think this might be taupe in confetti version 2. I think that's what it is. And I think I might have ordered matte silver solid underlays from Planet Hannah to like pair with it. And then matte silver like star custom multi possibly. I don't really remember if I'm being honest with you, but that's my guess. That's my guess on that one. But I think it's going to be cute. The next 2 weeks are for June 17th to the 23rd. And again, I wanted to stick with that rainbow trend. So I do have this foil bundle here from, not this foil bundle here, this kit, you know, from my shop. I don't know where I put the extra add-ons I had. I might have misplaced them because did I not need them? I don't remember. Maybe I do need some of them. I don't remember. Like, or maybe I wasn't going to pull the blue in. I don't remember what my whole idea was. The blue on the bottom of the sheet. I don't really know. Who knows, honestly. So I have April Mystery, which was a grocery theme, which I love. I also got these grocery underlays from Planet Hannah. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them yet, TBH. I haven't decided. I don't know if it's like the art style is like too different from this art style. And I thought another option that would be cute is like black grid would be cool with this one. So I might switch it out for black grid. I really haven't decided yet, especially because like once you put stuff over top of these, I'm not really sure you're going to know what they are anyways. So I might switch it out for black grid, but then I also have a foil bundle from my shop here with it. And this is in a like shimmery, sparkly black, which is really, really pretty in the normal confetti version too. But like I said, I probably will switch this in for some grid. I think that will be really, really cute. And then the scripts I might end up doing rainbow, or I might just stick to black. I think that the rainbow in the colors of the kit itself kind of like speaks and is really, really nice. The next kit I have here is just like a very general, like it's a water park kit, but I'm just saying it's summer. For this one, I do have a foil bundle from Crest Press in summertime. This is older, so I'm not sure if she still has it or if she's reformatted it since, but it is in silver. And then I also do have these beach balls from Planet Hannah in silver as well, just to add a little bit to it, as well as I have 2 half-used custom multis in silver and font 2 from Planet Hannah as well. So I'm keeping that one pretty simple, but I think the silver is going to look really nice with it. Then if we move on to June 24th through 30th, I'm doing something very weird with this one. This one was March Mystery 2024, which again gives me very rainbow vibes. It's just missing purple, but I think that that just is, it's good enough. You know what I'm saying? But I think this is really pretty, right? Super pretty. Love this. And then I do have the add-ons for this one. I don't know what I did with the add-ons for the other one. I probably just like tossed them somewhere, forgot about them forever. But I'm doing something weird with this because I just sometimes get something stuck in my head and then I'm like, this is what I want to do. So I'm doing it. Am I going to regret it? Maybe. We will see. So I went ahead and made myself some full boxes in the paint splatter. And then I was like, oh, well, I kind of like the like super glossy underneath. So I just grabbed, you know, those like, hold on, let me get my flashlight. The like bougie that are clear but have like a shimmer to them. See it? You can see it especially on the top, but you gotta hit her in the right light. The studio light really clocks her out, but I thought I'd put these over top of it to give it a shimmer and then go no foil with this possibly. Maybe use like white icons and black scripts, or maybe after I put it down I want to like add some silver, but I don't know. I wanted to try using these as underlays because I liked the idea of having like the paint splatter underneath everything. Again, I don't really know if I will like it, but like we shall see. Do you know what I'm saying? Like I'm trying it out. It might end up being my new favorite thing. It might end up being a bust. We never know with my ideas. And then the last thing I have here is mermaid. I have all of the extras here, and I thought this was a really cute, pretty mermaid set with a lot of things going on. I do have the SPC mermaid bundle in Sparkly Hollow that I've had for forever. And then I also picked up the Under the Sea bubbles, and these are the same ones that are in here. But I picked them up in the like sparkly confetti purple, and then I did, I believe, pick up the solid underlays from Planet Hannah in blue hollow to put underneath these. And I think that that is going to be something to be held. Do you know what I'm saying? And then I think when it comes to like getting, or whenever, I think my custom multi is either in confetti purple or it is in the blue hollow. I don't think I got it in sparkly hollow. So that will be fun and different and kind of also thrilling as well to see how that turns out. So that, my friends, is everything for this month. Again, there's a lot of kits like that don't have like a specific reason why they are where they are. But I think that like it's a cute lineup of like a variety of different random things. And I'm kind of here for it. So let me know what you think. If you have any ideas for me, anything that you think I need to edit a little bit, you're like, Andrea, I don't know what you're thinking. Change this. Let me know. Or if there's anything that I debated that you have thoughts on, that you want to let me know your thoughts on so that it could help me better figure out my life, let me know. Otherwise, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye!